Wherever you are in the world right now, you can start making money because today's method is absolutely free and is available worldwide. What's great about this method is that this is a passive income. Now, as always, I don't want you guys to skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details and so that we can maximize our results. Don't worry, I am going to walk you through the methods step by step. Before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions, suggestions, or opinions. Now let's get right into it. So first of all, this is the website that will help us in making money online today. As you can see right here, this is a website where we can create our own merchandise. You can see here you can create your own clothing, drinkware, accessories, home and decor, stationery, stickers and signs, phone cases, and accessories. You can do a lot of things with this website. You can even make gifts for him, for her, for pets, for babies. There are also for occasions right here. Holidays and occasions, birthdays, wedding anniversary, for baby things. You can create mugs. You can do a lot of things with this website. Okay, I'll inform you in advance that you don't need to pay anything at all, so you don't need to worry about investing a dime. All you have to do is just create designs with this website, and this website will do the job for you. You don't need to worry about the shipping, you don't need to worry about all those other stuff. All you need to do is create a design and incorporate that design with their materials here on this website. So we are going to make a merchandise, right? Also, you don't have to worry because I will be showing you a website that will help us in designing. Even though you're still a beginner, you don't need to worry anything at all because this is beginner friendly and you don't need prior skills to do this. So again, I need you to stick with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details, because I will be walking you through all of this step by step. So basically what you'll need to do is just end up uploading images right here on this website. Now, I won't be going over to this website for you guys. If you want to know more about this, then you can just check this out. But today, I am going to tell you, I'll be straight to the point and tell you what this website can do for us. You can absolutely use this website for personal use, but we're here to make money. So in today's method, we will be using this website in order to earn a lot. By the way, this website is CafePress.com. Yes, this is CafePress.com. Now, before we proceed to the next step, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now, let's go back to the video. Alright, now what I need you to do is when you come over here to CafePress.com, I need you to scroll down to the very bottom of this page and click on this Start Selling button right here, just beneath Help. After clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see the instructions or the steps on how to do this. So there are 3 simple steps. First, you have to create and upload a design. Again, don't worry, I'll teach you how to create a design, which is really easy. Next, they will do the selling for you. They will do the promotion for you and all that. It depends on where you're gonna put it, the design, by the way, whether you want it on a t-shirt, a mug, a postcard, or whatever. And then after they sell it, you earn your share. You see, the reason why I chose this website is because this website gets a lot of traffic. And traffic is one of the most important things that you should take note when you are looking at a website or when you want to use a website. Alright, now, this is where SimilarWeb.com comes in. If you come over here to SimilarWeb, you can see that CafePress.com is being visited by over 2.4 million people every month. And that is a lot of people, you guys. You can surely get a decent amount of money considering that there are millions of visitors on this website. Alright, now let's go back to CafePress. Now what you'll need to do next is click on this Add Designs button right here. That'll then bring you to this page right here where you have to create an account. So all you have to do is click on create an account if you don't have one yet. And then right here, you need to enter your email address, your password, and confirm your password. Make sure to enter a valid email address because there will be a verification code. Now, after you create your account and after you log in, it'll look like this. Now, what we're gonna do next is we're going to hover our mouse over create your own. And then from here, you can choose whatever you want to design. You can choose clothing, drinkware, accessories, or whatever. For the sake of this video, I am going to choose men's clothing right here. Let me just click on men's t-shirt, and then I'll come over to this page right here where I can see how much this shirt costs when we're going to sell this. So you can see right here that I can choose from a regular shirt to a hoodie. Okay, I can choose whatever I like. And right here, let me just click on this custom men's value t-shirts because I guess a lot of people will buy that since it's affordable. It's much more affordable than these other shirts right here. So let me click on that. And then from here on, you can customize everything. If you want a gray shirt, click on gray. If you want a black shirt, click on black. If you want a red shirt, click on red, and so on. Okay, you can choose whatever you like. Let me just put it on white because I want it to be white. And then I told you guys that we can create the layouts ourselves. All we have to do is just upload, right? Because as you can see right here, all we have to do is add an image. Now, before we proceed to the next website where we're going to get those images, those free photos that we'll upload, I need you to comment down below and tell me where you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Because that's what we do here at Mr. McMoney. We want to help you guys earn income. So right now, let's proceed, and what you'll need to do is go over to the next page or the next website, which is pngtree.com. Again, that is pngtree.com. So there are 3 reasons why I want to use this website instead of other websites. First and foremost, the photos in this website are royalty free, so you can use it wherever you like and you can still earn profit without getting copyright striked. So you can get photos from here and then you can sell it and then you can still earn money. You won't have any problems at all. Second, this is free. You can download any photo from here. And lastly, there are thousands and thousands of photos to choose from. You can choose whatever you like and it'll come up here. So for this video, I am going to use cat images or dog images. The reason is that a lot of people are cat lovers or dog lovers or basically animal lovers. There's a great chance that your shirts or your merchandise will be sold by these people. Now, in order to get started with this website, all you have to do is click on this sign up button right here, and then you'll see this pop-up page right here. So you can continue with Google, continue with your Facebook account, continue with your Twitter account, or you can manually continue with your email address right here. All right, now that I've logged in here on pngtree.com, I'm gonna search for cat images. As you can see, there are a lot of cat images right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick one photo and I'm gonna download it. All right, I like this one right here, so let me just download that. I'm gonna click on this photo and then I'll be redirected to this page right here. And I'm just gonna click on this download PNG. Click on free download and it'll be saved directly to your computer. Now the next thing you'll have to do is go back to CafePress.com and then click on add image right here. Upload the image that we just downloaded, and then after that you can sell your shirt. Now the best thing about this website is that your designs will stay here forever. So it'll be a passive income. People can buy your shirts here even though it's like months after you have posted them. And you can post a lot of different shirts right here. You just have to copy your link and spread it on social media to your friends, or you can just let it stay here and people will then buy it. That is how you're gonna make money with today's method using CafePress.com and PNG Tree. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed this video and if you learned something, go ahead and smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have comments, suggestions, or opinions, leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!